What if I told you there's a way to make someone utterly obsessed with you, using nothing but psychology? Not magic, not luck, just the raw, unfiltered science of desire. Welcome to the shadows of human connection. Let's dive in. But first, these hacks aren't for the faint-hearted. Use them wisely, or don't use them at all. Before we begin, this isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding why people crave what they crave. With great power comes great responsibility. Got it? Good. Let's get dark. Hack number 1, the scarcity principle. People want what they can't have, period. Here's how to weaponize scarcity. Stop being available 24/7. Let texts linger. Cancel plans gracefully. Example? Sorry, I've got a project I'm obsessed with. Suddenly, you're not chasing, you're the prize. Why it works. Fear of missing out is primal. Make them wonder, what's so important that they're not here? Hack number 2, mirroring. Mirroring isn't imitation, it's art. Match their posture, echo their phrases. If they're reserved, dial back your energy. If they're fiery, lean in. Example, they say, I'm addicted to thrillers. You respond, I live for stories that keep me guessing. Why it works. Subconsciously, they'll think, this person gets me. Hack number 3, intermittent reinforcement. This is how casinos addict you. Reward them unpredictably. One day, shower them with attention. The next, vanish. Example, send a voice note out of nowhere saying, you crossed my mind. Then go silent for days. Keep them chasing the high. Why it works. Uncertainty hooks harder than consistency. They'll think, when will I get that hit again? Hack number 4, selective vulnerability. Share secrets strategically. Tell a story about a childhood fear, not your life saga. Example, I used to be terrified of the dark. Still am sometimes. Then pivot to, what about you? Why it works. Vulnerability breeds intimacy, but only if you control the narrative. Hack number 5, mystery and intrigue. Never let them see the full picture. Mention a secret project or a past you're not ready to share. Example, I'd tell you, but it's a story for another time. Why it works. The human brain hates unsolved puzzles. They'll obsess over filling in the blanks. Master these hacks, and you'll never beg for attention again. But remember, obsession isn't love. Use this power, or lose yourself in it. Drop a comment. Which hack will you try first? And if you're brave enough to go deeper, hit subscribe. Next week, how to erase your ex from your mind permanently. Stay dark, stay sharp.